hold on to that. Perfect. So
No, it's because I have my
yeah,
hair in the back.
ponytail.
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect. And then boom, right? Makes sense. Bite and then lips. Perfect. This is done. Then you go put this on. Put that on. Sorry. Then it's not. Doesn't like. Okay. It's not tight, right? Okay. All right. So this is done. At this point, you know it's. Is it to one side? It seems like.
No problem.
All right. When you tighten it, it might lock in properly. I'll make sure it's centered. So, anyway, just read. It seems like. Can you face that to mine? Does it seem like it's to one side?
Yeah, it's a little bit crooked.
It's a little crooked. Yeah. It could be
I
your
think the
head
whole-
too in the back. Like it's pushing
Just have a
into
crooked
one.
head.
Like you're
I
putting.
think the whole head gear is crooked. This needs to rotate. Does it feel comfortable to you? Okay.
Yeah, it could be like your it's like ponytail is like pushing in one
I
direction.
hit my head enough. It probably is crooked.
Okay, so